All right, let's unbox the Apple Watch SE. I went with the SE because I didn't need all the bells and whistles of the Series 10, but I still wanted the features I would actually use. Spoiler alert, it's the perfect balance of functionality and price. First off, the design. You still get that classic Apple Watch style with a lightweight aluminum case and a vibrant retina display. It's super crisp, easy to read, and looks great whether you're dressed up or in gym clothes. Now, let's talk features. The SE has everything I need: heart rate monitoring, step tracking, and even fall detection. It pairs perfectly with Apple Fitness Plus, so if you're into guided workouts, this has you covered. One thing I love is the built-in GPS. It's great for runs or walks when I don't want to carry my phone. And of course, you can still check notifications, reply to texts, control your music, and even use Apple Pay right from your wrist. What's missing? Well, it doesn't have an always-on display or advanced health sensors, but for me, that's not a deal breaker. I wanted a watch that was simple, reliable, and didn't break the bank. The SE ticks all those boxes. If you're on the fence, I'll say this: it gives you all the essentials with that seamless Apple experience that we all love. All right, time to set this up and see how it fits into my routine. If you're interested in checking it out, I'll leave the link at the bottom of this video.